In this video, we will walk through how to add custom activities, excursions, and tour information into your proposals and itineraries. The first thing you'll want to do is select the new event option, and you'll see a drop-down list of all the different categories of events that you can bring in. The first one we'll look at is the Smart Import option, which is going to help allow you pull in information in from anywhere utilizing Travefy's AI. You can either copy and paste information into this first box, or you can choose to drop in or upload a file within the second box. Once done, select Import, and we'll begin to parse the information in. As you can see, you get a short preview of what information we were able to read. You can always change the dates if needed. You can also add any images that might have been included in the document you chose to upload. I'll go ahead and select this first one, and we'll assign those images to this first event before importing all of it together. As you can see, we now have the information imported into our itinerary. It's going to give us the day and time, as well as some of that description and the photo that we assigned here. Another way to add tour information in is by selecting that new event button once again, and selecting the tour option. This is going to be integrated with our tour database, and from here you can select which tour line that you would like to work with. For today, let's type in Viator. And Viator is unique where it's going to ask for a product code. To find the product code, go over to Viator's site, go over to the tour that you specifically are wanting to bring in, and by scrolling towards the bottom, you can see the product code listed within the questions box. Copy and paste that right back into that tour code area. Once done, select Get Itinerary, and we'll give you a preview to make sure that this is the correct tour that you are wanting to bring in for Viator. Once you've confirmed it, add it to the itinerary one last time. As you can see, Viator brought over quite a bit of information, including an overview, what's included, excluded, additional information, 5 photos, my booking link, as well as some location information, which the clients can go ahead and interact with all of this information. If you want to know how to bring your booking link over, this can be done for both Project Expedition as well as Viator. To set that up, go back to your trips list, select your name up at the top right, and select your account settings. From here, select your linked accounts. You'll be able to see a couple of our other different suppliers who have a unique integration with us. And for Project Expedition and Viator, you can either toggle Viator on or enter in your access token given to you by Project Expedition. Again, this is going to make sure your commissioned booking links are imported over whenever you pull in one of their tours. Let's go ahead and go back to that trip we were working on together. And the last way that you can add information in is by doing it manually. Select the new event option and select activity. From here, this is where you can create a fully custom activity option. You'll notice up at the top the different categories that you can select and change. If this is a food and drink activity, you can by all means select food and drink. You can add in a title as well as the description, and format it however you choose. Details are listed below, and you can add in time, price, and other information. For the multimedia area, this is available on all events that you do, but you can click into here and you'll notice the 5 different options that are available. You can either use our royalty-free database, upload your own images, use the website method to copy and paste a URL in, and we can see if we can grab direct images from that source, copy and paste, or a video option as long as it's from YouTube or Vimeo. But that's it. That is how you can add in activity information, tour information, and your own custom information. If you have any questions, make sure to email us at professional@travefy.com. But thanks so much for watching, and check out the rest of our Getting Started video guide.